Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tink Trance channel, where we'll tinker and learn. Today, we'll be discussing laptop repair made easy. Made easy. It's a HD video series that is available on the internet these days.
Okay, now we'll go over what this new HD video series called Laptop Repair Made Easy is. Laptop Repair Made Easy is a digital program that guides you how to repair laptops, standard laptops, Macs and netbooks. This program includes step-by-step instructional guides and videos. This is the complete system that you can provide to those that wish to learn how to repair their laptops.
But before going further, let's first tackle the best parts about laptop repair made easy, as well as some of the not so helpful stuff I've observed during my testing. First, here are the best points I liked most about laptop repair made easy: many tools, techniques, and procedures. Industry trusted product, contains new and improved techniques. On the flip side, here's what I didn't like much about laptop repair. Special tools and accessories required, prerequisite computer knowledge helps.
Now, here is what the people had to say about these videos. Mr. Miller says that the videos were amazing and I learned quickly. Mrs. Gerard says, I'm truly impressed with both the quality and information provided and the quality of the videos. And Mr. Goss highly recommends this system to everyone. So that's what the people had to say. And the reviews are overall favorable. I think I'd recommend it myself. I think any aid will help.
Now, what exactly does Laptop Repair Made Easy come with? Annual maintenance, experience, data loss, prevent further damage, save time.
Annual maintenance. Professional laptop repair experts also offer maintenance contracts. In this contract, your laptop will be serviced regularly for a small fee. Ideally, this is great because you can keep your laptop in great condition all year round. Routine laptop maintenance helps identify problems early.
Experience allows these experts to deal with any problem. Moreover, the problems with your laptop with experience will be solved in the best way and in the shortest time.
Data loss. This is among the top benefits of working with a professional for your laptop repairs. Data losses are common in software repair. Professionals have the skills required to ensure data safety. Best of all, they know how well to do it and what to use for data backup.
Prevent further damage. Laptop Repair Made Easy Repair Professional will be able to give you some tips on how you can prevent further damage to your laptop, depending on your unique circumstances. A skilled professional will also be able to repair your laptop without causing further damage. Save time when you hire a professional laptop repair service. It will save you a lot of time. Trying to figure out what is causing the problem can be extremely time-consuming if you are not familiar with common laptop issues. Skilled professionals will be able to identify the problem quickly.
For the most part, Laptop Repair Made Easy is one of the best HD video series. It's practical yet innovative, and most importantly, designed to give you the ability to start making money right away by repairing broken laptops that can be bought for near to nothing, and selling them. Even if you've never done it before. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned pro, Laptop Repair Made Easy is available by clicking the link below.
So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you want more information about it, like I said before, there is a link below. And of course, if you purchase from the link below, I get a small commission. And that's really it. And I think it's a great program because, it's a guide on how to repair laptops, and there's many tools, techniques, and procedures, and it's a trusted product. So with that, Be sure to like the video on the way out, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, comment below if you work with this and know anything about it, and be sure to share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching and have a great day.